So to get started, you'll need the free version of Solid Edge Student Edition. So go out to Google and type this in right here in the bar, Solid Edge Student Edition. And go to this web page here, Siemens PLM software, and fill in this form and they'll send you a link. Once you've downloaded the software, simply go out to Solid Edge Student version, right mouse click, and run as administrator. Once you have Solid Edge loaded, make sure you're in metric. And if you're not seeing metric parts, go out here to Edit List, and you can change it from ANSI, inch, or whatever to metric. Now let's just go out and open a metric part and make sure we're seeing the right menu. Now, if this is not the menu you're seeing, then you need to change your options when you loaded the software. Now come up here where it says Customize on this little pull down right there and go down to Themes. And if you're seeing something different, your menu looks something like this, you need to go back here and change the theme. Pull down here, Theme, and set it to Balance, because that's the menu that I'm using, Balance Solid Edge, and that's what you should see. And if you have any problems and you'd like to ask a question, simply go out to Solid Edge Forum. So type in Solid Edge Forum, and this top link, Solid Edge Forum, and this is where you can ask questions. If you're having trouble loading Solid Edge, you have any questions with Solid Edge, with modeling, part, sheet metal, just come out here and you can ask your questions.